Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with us how to shrink fibroid and remove cysts naturally just with 2 kitchen ingredients. Baking soda is a natural antacid. It is known to be an exercise enhancer. It also helps to cure urinary infections. It is also known to be a natural alkalizing agent. It is used to reduce the effect of acid and inflammation in the body and treat most ailments. It is one of the best natural remedies for balancing the body. It helps to balance the body pH level and for improving overall health. This is baking soda and not baking powder. You can use baking soda or bicarbonate of soda and not baking powder, please. This treatment will help you a lot to shrink fibroids and cysts. There are many things that can shrink fibroids, and this is one of it. The cause of fibroids are unknown, but mostly is because of hormonal imbalance. When the estrogen hormone is more than other hormones in the body, the system becomes imbalanced, and that can make the body to start developing some growth. The next ingredient here is apple cider. Apple cider is very effective. It's an antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal, full of minerals and vitamins, packed with anti-inflammatory properties, which helps to get rid of those growths in the body. These 2 ingredients help to flush out those remnants, causing blockages. This also helps to unblock fallopian tubes. This too helps the body to stay alkaline. In an empty cup, we are going to add a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, also known as baking soda. Note, not baking powder, please. The next thing we are going to add is half cup of warm water. After adding water, you stir it properly and allow it to dissolve completely. You keep stirring until you see that everything is well dissolved. These 2 ingredients here will help to regulate period, because when the hormone is imbalanced, there will be an issue of irregular period in most people. They will start getting fibroids, cysts, and other growth in the body. So adding apple cider to bicarbonate of soda helps a lot to deal with such health issue. After dissolving the baking soda, you allow the water to cool down before adding your apple cider to it. 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Please don't add apple cider vinegar when the water is still warm. Allow it to cool down very well before adding your apple cider to it. You can see the reaction of the 2 ingredients here. Stir it and see how it reacts. If you don't see this reaction, please don't take it. Make sure these reactions come up whenever you are stirring these 2 ingredients together. Take this first thing in the morning. Don't prepare and store it. Make fresh one each time you are taking it. To avoid saying this remedy did not work, please allow the baking soda to dissolve and allow the water to cool down before adding your apple cider. Thank you. If you are a new subscriber here, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Please drop your comment also. To my old subscribers, please don't forget to comment, like and share. Thank you for watching.